Lagos State Police Command don't go give another person pikin to another woman, my people. In fact, this matter dey very heartbreaking and complicated. And this is where they talk to now about this pikin where they miss now. 4 years ago, now this woman still dey on top this matter. And according to her, she said the boy been dey come back from school. Now from that time, she no come see the boy. She go to school, she search. She no see the boy now from that day. And now she come see am for Facebook. Say person don snap the boy picture. Come write one write up like that. Say this na the phone number or call us in case na your pikin. You understand? No, this woman come follow up. Oh. Finally, come end up for the police station where they send her to. Say na there she go get her pikin. As she go the police station, now so the police officers come tell her say, okay, oh, before we go give you your pikin, you go need bring birth certificate and other antenatal matter like that. Before this woman go house, where she dey arrange all those things, come back, they don't carry this boy give another woman. They say the woman come, where the woman they tell them say yes, na her own pikin. They carry and go give her. And now they tell the real mother say if she want me they help am, go find the pikin. He go give them 200,000 naira. I beg for now we no know wetin dey shele now. Wetin dey shele now. Join me, make we listen to this heartbroken mother.
My name is Joy Madabuchi Hanacho. Wetin carry me come here beside they find my pikin over 4 years and now. The pikin they come back from school now I no see am. I see where the poster for Facebook. I can't go where the right say now where the pikin dey. Arakara police station. They come they ask me for birth certificate, immunization card, and antenatal card. I can't carry and come. I saw you give me pikin, they no come carry the pikin give me. They say one woman come, I they carry and give the woman go Imo State. And as they carry and go Imo State, I come they ask them, they say make I bring 200,000. They go Imo State, go carry the pikin come. That's why they cry today. I don't get the 200,000 naira to give. May Nigeria help me. People will go free help me, may they help me. I don't get the money to inform now my pikin now I want.
The most daft uniform people. Now for Nigeria they dey. No find them anywhere again. No stress yourself, say they fine. You ask person may go bring birth certificate and other things. You know wait, make that person come back with the things. You don't carry the pikin, give another person. Which kind of officer una be? Okay, if matter even reach worst case, may we just say, okay, we don't get like 5 people wey say they be parents of the pikin. Una no go do DNA, una no go hospital run test. Okay, anybody will just come, you just carry the pikin, give am. See, these people don't say this pikin. I know they believe any matter where the mother was the mother of the child or this any story. I know they believe am. They don't say this pikin and they wonder how much. Because how come the real mother came? Una ask her may go bring those things. Then the second one come. How come when I no ask her may she also go bring her own? How come? See, I dey calculate every movement. I dey calculate every movement because these police people, we know them already. We know them already. Which kind of heartless behavior be this? Like, I don't just understand. Person fit just sit down, they watch how person they cry. Like your heart, you know they feel anything. Nigerian police, like, una be mistake to Nigeria. You are, in fact, una be mistake to this country. Why you go ask this woman for 200K? You know whether she dey work? Abi you be kidnappers. Not only kidnappers, I know say if they take something from you, they ask you for ransom. Una be kidnappers. I even forget safe. No be una. In fact, forget all those criminals and things where they happen for now. Now una be the head of every criminal act for this country. Heartless animals in uniform, a murder. And una get mama like this, so all of una get mama like this, and una they watch person mama they cry. I just dey imagine wetin this woman even they go through with the pain and everything. On top of that, they ask her for money. No, where she won't get this money from? No, me person tell me where she want. You don't even know whether na single mother. Where okay, the father of the pikin self don't abandon her or something. You know, just no. See, Nigeria needs serious. I don't even know the kind of prayer. It be like saying that the gun prayer now we go the. You understand? Everybody go they carry AK-47. They start they pray. Maybe now that one the demons go leave our officers because as it be like this, they increase. In fact, from worse to worse. Anything wey concern police, money dey involve. They no fit just do their work when you say okay this one make I just before they go listen to you. Before police go listen, this one not be say una dey talk o. Before you go listen, that means before you go start your talk, you go drop something. As the talk dey go on, you go still drop another thing. By the time you finish, you drop another thing. Before they go come solve your matter, in fact, your account self don't clear. No be so they do that girl, that 10 years girl where they do in back. Just heartless people. I even they wonder who na they copy. I be who na even they follow. Because I need know. If na white people, I not say una miss road. Normal level as a police officer, you even supposed to attend to your citizens before you even think of money. If truly you are an officer, because their life should matter before anything. I don't tell una this thing, parents. Pick una pikin by yourself. Go drop am for school by yourself. Pick am by yourself. All this one they do, they form busybody. You are too busy. If you are busy, arrange. Strategize. You get relatives, you get somebody. I not just understand. Una go leave small children like that. Maybe they go school. And not be say the school even they behind una house. Where we go say okay, they fit just walk out 10 seconds. They don't enter your house. They go. Some of them even they enter car. With all these things where they happen, una go still even after I talk this one tomorrow. Sef when school starts, they go still go alone. Make una open una eye. Make una open una eye. My prayer now for this woman be say something never happened to this boy before we go start a hear bad news. Say hey, he don't die or something. You understand? Make una open una eye. It is very, very important. Now I bring this matter out. My people, we need help this our sister. You go tell me say you no get money. I know they ask una me una say money. Sharing this video alone, you go do something big because person fit dey now where they see this boy every day. But you no say na stolen pikin. You understand? But if you share the video, they go see am. Now why they tell una every time, make sure say you share the video. It is very, very important. Make we help a sister, make we support a sister. Tomorrow fit be any other person. You understand? And make sure say you drop your comment there. Anything where you know concerning this pikin, it go a very long way. Drop her for that comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. If not, you go dey miss interesting matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story.